G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 4 Crystal Court in the popular bayside suburb of Urangan. As usual, there's a bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This well-maintained brick and tile home was completed in 2012 and is positioned on a spacious 643 square metre allotment, offering clear side access through the 9 by 5 metre shed, making it ideal for those with an RV, caravan or boat in the highly sought after bayside location of Urangan. You will enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with having Hervey Bay's essential amenities all nearby, including the Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Aldi, fast food outlets, the airport precinct shopping centre, schools, sporting grounds, aquatic centre, the medical centres, Marina, Hervey Bay Boat Club and the iconic Urangan Pier, all only a short drive away. Upon entering this home, you will notice the open light-filled design combined with a creative floor plan really does offer an exceptional living retreat. The open plan living and dining area with the kitchen set off to the side really does form the heart of this home. The kitchen features new bench tops and includes ample storage space plus a pantry, making it ideal for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood, an oven and a dishwasher. The open plan dining area does seamlessly connect with that fantastic north facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area with shade blinds. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate, the ideal space for relaxing at the end of each day. This home also includes a separate lounge or media room with ceiling fan and split system air conditioning, the perfect space to kick back and enjoy your latest television series along with the latest movie releases. This home does include 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning, a walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a shower, vanity and bath, and there's also a separate toilet as well. The laundry does offer direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the double garage with a remote panel lift door, and you've got direct internal access into the home. You've also got clear side access through to the 9 by 5 metre shed with high entry and power connected. This will be ideal for those with camper trailers and boats, and you've also got ample space to accommodate a large RV, caravan or even add a pool if desired. Homes offering these features in this location are always popular and in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.